Today we're looking at Grand Cru liquid assets, so come take a look at some wine with me. Okay, so we're on their homepage. I'm just gonna scroll to take a look. We've got some collections and some reviews and USP. The first thing I will say is an exposed search bar, specifically on mobile, can help conversion rates quite a bit. And that's because users that use the search bar have a higher purchase intent. They know what they're looking for. They just want to buy it and get out. Same as in any shop. So I would recommend exposing the search bar, having it open and easily accessible. Another thing, we have a lot of collections on this homepage, but I would probably feature the top selling product, 2 or 3, so that customers can access it directly from the homepage and they don't have to go through to collections and product detail pages to add it to their cart. We're going to head over to a collection page. The product cards here could probably use some optimization, but this would probably come with things like a redesign. We do have a sticky filter and sort. I just want to check this filter. Okay, so this is technically not a filter. The title here says filters. If I close it, it says collections, and then it says wine collections. Yeah, this is a bit confusing. So I would probably make this a proper filter. Filter by reds, whites, can filter by the year of wine, filter by the price. And then you could add a collection section within the filter so that customers can filter by a collection. So what this does is it just takes customers from one collection page, the current one, to other collection pages. It's not really a filter of this one. Let's head through to a product page. At first glance, I would move the all wine in stock and ready to ship, this section, these italics bolds, further down. I would also move the guaranteed provenance and fast shipping down, possibly with an icon to make it more easily noticeable. It's just a lot of copy that completely distracts away from the name of the wine, the price. There's no real visual hierarchy, so I would restructure this section just to display that better. We do have a sticky add to cart, which is great. There is no product description, it seems, for this one. I would add an accordion menu to add extra information. So for example, sell it at 55, 70% humidity. This could be added within an accordion section here at the bottom, as well as shipping details and more information about the wine, like a product description. Another thing I would probably add is payment logos or express checkout. So it doesn't have to be express checkout like PayPal, Google Pay, but you can display the logos of the cards you accept, for example MasterCard, Visa, etc., just so that customers who are purchasing these ones know exactly how they're going to pay before they even get to checkout. It makes the process much easier, much faster, because they don't have to go all the way to checkout and then bounce because they don't have the correct card. Add this to cart and let's see what happens. The loading time on this site is very slow as well. I would probably want to do a site speed audit just to see what's happening. Okay, it didn't load. I'm going to try and add it to my cart again. There we go. So we've got continue to checkout, continue shopping. Again, you could display payment logo. Okay, there are some issues with the site. Right, there we go. It's loaded properly. Got free ground shipping at the top, progress bar, which is great. We've got you may also like. We've got continue to checkout, continue shopping. I'm not sure what glitch happened there, so I think this site needs a little bit of investigation for optimization, just to avoid any friction. These are all good. We could add the payment logos near the checkout here too. that is it for Grand Cru. See you in the next one.